Hello everyone, another devlog. So in this devlog, right, what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to figure out, so I'll demonstrate you a little bit of the game. Prosperity is not created through virtue, it's engineered through incentives, infrastructure, and disciplined administration. I actually agree with that a lot. So anyway, I'm trying to actually save and load these variables here. So right now they're loaded properly because this data is loaded from my data table. The problem right now that I'm need to fix is updating them, right? So the update. As you can see, this is not really that good because it went all the way back down from the level it was before, now it went to 0, so this update was wrong. And so now I want to be able to save that, right? So when I come back, you see these messy numbers? So these messy numbers need to be changed, right? So they're not changed right now. As you can see, they go back down to where they were before. So how do we fix that really? That's the real question that I'm trying to figure out here. This should be closed. And I'm working with the BP game instance, I have the WB info instead of the WB base here. It's this box right here. There are also invisible variables, but for the time being, I'm only gonna be saving these variables right here, which looks to be kind of easy. And at first I thought, okay, this should be pretty straightforward because wow, what is all this, right? So, yeah, I thought to myself, well, I have tax rate instead of here, even though tax rate, there's none of that right now instead of my game. I removed the sliders, tax rate and central bank and interest rate, but somehow I'm also saving that anyways here. Yeah, the issue is though, you see this is an invisible variable, for example. I should probably be grouping all these invisible variable thingies together, I guess. So this can stay here. Select. Oh my god, why is the stock market even here? I, I literally removed that. So level, we have the level. We can put it together. Close by. State budget increase. Yeah, this one, we can start thinking about this one a little bit. So after all that, right, I'm saving something. The problem is how I save and load, right? I think this could be a problem here, right? Because I have both a T map and a structure at the same time, and then I'm also setting array element. And then so for the data, main menu data, right, what I'm doing is I haven't even decided what I'm gonna be doing at all. So I haven't decided how I'm gonna be doing, first of all, the save menu, main menu data, and I haven't also decided how I'm gonna be doing this load save menu data. Alright, so that's really our problem right now. And I decided, hey, you know what? Set the new team map. So when your game starts out, right, your info here, it will create this event, set this team map. It's coming from here. I should probably, yeah, base variables, not team map. So this team map is the base variables. I should name it team map base variables. So a good base text variables. Text variables. Yeah, this is much more explanatory. So yeah, it goes inside of there. Immediately after this one is created, it goes inside of here. And then, right, what do we do? Oops, nope, that's not good. Value base. So here, right? Yeah, so I think also another thing I need to show you is on my BB game instance, so the custom initialize. This is where I save and load, like what I'm doing here, right? Sometimes I have a first time event, so it will only go here on this true for only on the first time. Then after the first time, it will no longer go there, but it will go down here, which is load saving and loading policy data arrays. And so what I decided to do here, I'm not doing this save and loading for the T map. I should probably be doing it from the T map, I think, instead of this structure-based variables. Because it's a structure, why am I using the structure? I should be using enum, and my like my other thing. Actually, I think I need both because I'm working with both right now. I'm doing set array elements. So save and load policy data, as you can see, if you go false, true, true equals load, false equals save. So this is my false. I got both of them here. You bring them to the outside. I said bring it to me then if you once you load them. And then I also made this messy junk. But it's pretty readable though. I'm pretty sure you can read it. So yeah, the policy and this, so I'm putting this also at the end. I think I'm doing a pretty good job here, but I'm still not. I haven't made my mind about how I'm gonna make this whole thing work. So right now I'm stuck in this process of the saving and loading. If anyone has any suggestions, let me know.